This is an as-is video of machine number 6622. It's a 2-ton multi-press, model W6A-2. The serial number is M6555. It's a 2017 machine. It's in very good condition, and it's in our Columbia, Tennessee warehouse. So we're about 1300 psi, and that is 2 ton. So here's the front of the press, and you can adjust the position with these knobs right here. This shows your tonnage based on psi. This gauge here. And then this die here, you can take this out. There's a die and a feed. You can remove that. That's the air powered. That comes in right here, but you can remove all that if you don't need it. Got this emergency stop. There's the nameplate. There's an on-off switch, and then this is a switch here for jog down, cycle, jog up. This is inside the panel. So it's got an Allen Bradley Micrologix 1000 PLC. A timer. This is just 110 volt. So here's where this air inlet is, and you can remove all that. That's for that feed, the air feed. There's the gauge for the oil. It's full. There's where the fill is. And here's your main motor. So this motor on here, this is actually dual voltage 110 and 220, both single phase. So it's currently hooked up 110.